What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see, we're at my place of business. It's a pizza franchise I own called Fox's Pizza Den. So today, many people's been asking about me doing a video at work. So let's show you around a little bit, show you a little bit of what I do. Today's Friday, so it's kind of a busy day. Anytime it snows, it's always crazy, this is the second snow we've gotten this season. So show you a little bit around the store and show you a little bit what we do. And if you have any questions or anything, comment below. If you have your own pizza business or any other business of your own, let me know what you do, and we'll take you for a look inside the store. All right, so here's the dining room. This is basically a takeout delivery store, so we don't really have that much of a dining room, just a couple tables, so not too bad. Got a little bit of stuff on the walls here. We show our sizes of our pizza boxes and how many slices are in each one. Of course, we have like our health inspection, which is a 99. You know, I have some food safety stuff that I've taken a long time ago. These are some stuff that we do for charities and schools that are local. We feed some ball teams and stuff like that. And of course, a lot of people don't know this, but we have a 30-inch pizza, 52 slices. It's 30 inches, and that is a 32-inch door. So as you can tell, it barely fits. So of course, we've won some awards from like TripAdvisor. We have another one here, but it actually fell off the wall and broke. So I actually have like the last 5 years, so pretty good. And then if you have a Fox's Pizza near you, this list is old, but these are the states and some of the stores. As you can tell, I'm in Johnson City. So my uncle and I started this together when I was a freshman in college. A little bit about it. He's in a wheelchair. When I was born, he started college. He's got 4 different four-year degrees, so he couldn't really decide what he wanted to do. He wanted to open a coffee shop. I don't really know anything about coffee. I hardly ever drink coffee, so I worked pizza in high school, and I thought it was a really simple thing to do, and I figured that I could do it. So we looked into opening a pizza franchise. Someone will give you some help. We don't have to do everything on your own. You have to come up with your own pizza sauce, your own, flavor. You don't have to make your own boxes, stuff like that. So we looked into Fox's, and we opened in March 6th of 2006 together in this location. Actually, this is the first one we did. He's had several more after, but he only has one now, so pretty good. I mean, we opened right before the recession and everything like that, and I took it over by myself 7 years ago. So coming up next month's March, so we'll be open 14 years. Pretty good accomplishment for a business, and I've had it here, like I said, by myself now for 7. So I made it past the 5-year mark. A lot of people, say that you're going to make it. If you make it 5 years, you should make it, for 20. So it's a little bit about the front, a little bit about me and the business. I went to school, went to college for small business management. I would say that, it helps knowing some things like that, but I don't know. You could learn a lot of this stuff just by somebody showing you and not really having to go to school for it. But to have a degree is something that I would say you probably need. Not necessarily a business degree, but if I could do it over again, I'd probably get an engineering degree. But as you tell, we have an order coming in. So we have a phone system, and I'll show you a little bit about that. Have some cool wall art and our menu board. And we have some specials up. We just had the Super Bowl last week, so still have some of this stuff up. We have a POS system that we run to take orders on. We have like 3 phone lines, 2 tablets from like Grubhub and Slice, so on. And this is my desk. Of course, you'll be able to watch King of Hammers here in a minute, since it's Friday. We sell Pepsi products, got 20-ounce 2 liters. And then we have a lot of pizza boxes. A lot of stuff's normally full, but our truck comes today. I'll show you that here in a little bit when he arrives, and we'll unload all our food for the week. But I mean, this is our basically cut table. We get box everything, bag everything. Orders go out from here. We have tickets that we watch and make, and then we have delivery bags, dressings, boxes, a radio, and like right now we're bagging up some spaghetti, some fettuccine noodles for the weekend. So we have a 2-layer oven, cooking top or bottom. We normally just run one oven at a time, unless we're really busy. So got Danielle making orders. So show you a little about it. Puts the food in here, cooks through, as you can tell. So I'll show you when that pizza comes out. And normally these boxes are full to the ceiling. but we'll get those taken care of here in a little bit. So we got the make table, some orders coming in. We have a walk-in cooler. So there's our dough for tonight. That's about how much we'll go through. It's crazy. When I took over, I used to have like 2 boxes or 2 racks of dough. So it's grown a lot. We stay really busy here. So we have dough in the trays. We have a freezer also, which is going to look pretty empty, but we'll show you here in a little bit. About completely empty. So we'll show you when the food truck gets here, and we'll show you about how much I order, which this truck's not too bad, but I have a dish sink, wash dishes. I have a bunch of junk that was on top of these walk-in coolers I cleared out this morning, so this will all be going in the garbage. And then we have some dry stock back here, so 2 liters and so on, back door, and the dumpster's out back, so we'll throw this stuff away before the truck comes. So we're just getting ready for Friday morning. It's like almost 11 o'clock, so the orders are starting to come in, and we'll show you a little bit about it. So I'll show you how to make chicken. I won't show you names or anything, but we got a large pepperoni and pineapple, so we got a large screen out. We have all the screens down here. We have more up here, so we'll go in the cooler. I don't know if I'll be able to hold the camera or not. Show. I get Danielle to hold the camera for me. So, our large trays. Which that's the next one, so we'll just take this one out with us. It's just easier to get it out here. We can see it a lot. Straight underneath the dough. And we'll put it in flour. So, lock it out, get all the air out of it. So this dough, probably a lot of questions are going to be, can you throw the dough in the air, toss the dough, and all the way you can. It depends on the dough, depends on how much it's been proofed. Largest aren't really that necessary, where these are pretty proofed and ready, so just like so. It's basically a large pizza dough. We'll sauce it, cheese it, put toppings on it. We have measurements for all this stuff, so it's not really too hard. Do this stuff pretty quick. This order's gonna go with like 2 other orders, so get it made and put it in the oven. Spread our cheese. Just like so. There's a cheese pizza. Add the pepperoni and pineapple. Also got all the pepperonis flat and pineapples over here. We'll go through, spread it around. Try to make the pizza look pretty. Make it look like those commercials you see on TV. They never look like they do when you get it. And, one of the special things we use is a special Fox's pizza. This is secret shaker stuff. And that's basically it. Put the pizza in, and about 5-6 minutes it'll be ready. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Ready? So we got our pizza grain come out. Get a large box ready. And that's what it looks like. All the cheesiness. So we'll grab this out. Our pizza pill. And we'll cut the pizza. Pretty simple. 10 slices. I can cut all the way through our pizzas, so when anybody call them back saying pizza's not cut. So put this little topper in there, so and shut the box. It's hard to do one-handed, folks. Just like so. Roll it in, put it in a delivery bag, and out it'll go, along with those other orders already. Pretty busy. Why are you wearing shorts? So guys, this is my food truck for the week. Not the whole thing, just a little bit of it. Yeah, Look at this guy from Atlanta. He ain't never seen snow before. So this is my delivery driver. He usually delivers every week. So we'll show you a little bit of how this works. Get this thing unloaded. I gotta move a bunch of trash out of the way that I blocked the door with. Get this ramp set up. Look at that. Thing's about empty. Start this over. So normally he gets all the stuff. We're usually the last stop on his truck here. So he'll unbox stack everything up. This is all the dry and cooler items. Over here is the freezer. It's all my dough and meats. So he'll stack this up on a dolly and wheel it in the store. Right, so he's brought in the freezer. Some of the dough. We'll stack this up in here in the walk-in, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's kind of hard to hold it and carry, so we're busy, so I don't really have any help with the camera today, as it's 12:30 and we've been non-stop today with the snow. All right, guys, got this freezer pretty much stocked up. Almost everything. There's a couple things that go from the cooler side that'll go in here for the week, but it's kind of hard to see there. But got all our dough, got our bread, meats. Our biggest expense is normally our cheese, which is in our cooler, and we got quite a bit of cheese. So it's all stacked up over here. So that's about $100 a box, and pretty expensive. Not gonna lie, it's one of the hardest things to control. So he's almost got it all put up. Well, I put up. He brought the cheese in, so we just got some dry stuff left, and that'll be it for our truck for the week. And until next Friday, and we'll get another one. As you can tell, he's our best driver we've had here in 7 years. Normally we got a lot of problems with people being late, not showing up, items are wrong. So this guy's been really good. Really appreciate his hard work and always being here on time. And he's a pretty funny guy.
One sausage.
I got Danielle checking the list, like Santa Claus over here, checking it twice. Make sure we got everything. And his truck was around $3,000 some, so it should last a week. Hopefully we won't run out of anything. Got a list for our produce from another store that's local right down the street. So we'll get that. And here it comes with all our pizza boxes. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. And those will last maybe a week. Whee! Alrighty guys, so it's about 20 till 2. Made it through our lunch rush. A couple customers here watching it snow. And let's see, we're at $648, 17 deliveries, 25 orders. So been pretty busy so far. Kind of gets non-stop, everything comes at once. So a little bit of what I got to do today. I got to sign all these paychecks. I've got to pay bills. Quite a bit of stuff usually goes on Fridays. Like we had a food truck, you know, we got to take orders, we got to do produce, we got to cut stuff. So we're just not getting caught up on our prep. So cut some green peppers, open some mushrooms, we got to cut some bread, stalling out from where it's on the truck. And of course we got to take our boxes out, we got to wash some dishes, and everything else is pretty much caught up for the day. We got all our dough and all our prep, so we cut green peppers, tomatoes, onions, and then we have salad lettuce, red lettuce, we have bread in here. So it looks a little bit different than I did earlier. Getting a lot more stuff done. We got steak and chicken we cook for our pizzas and sandwiches, salads. So we got a little list there, stuff to do. So all these boxes are gone. So all that'll be filled up. And it's pretty much a rundown of a day on Friday. So I'll sign these checks and get ready to get out of here. I usually leave about 3 o'clock on Fridays. It's usually my easy day since I got more people here. We usually run like me and Danielle on Fridays, my GM, and 2 drivers during the day. During the week it's usually just me and 2 drivers. I normally work days. And on nights, there's about 10 or 15 people in here. It's pretty crazy on nights. Nights is definitely our busiest time of year. We got like, I mean, that's the schedule. We got quite a few employees. I think we had like, I don't know how many we got right now. I've not even met like 3 of them because they work nights, but 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like I got about 16 people right now on payroll. So you gotta have the people here to keep the business going and keep orders on time and deliveries on time and stuff like that. We get a lot of online orders, so a lot of the business is mostly takeout and delivery, as I mentioned before. So pretty crazy, you know. I pay my own taxes, I pay payroll, I got a company that I do all the stuff through, and they send out the checks for me. So stuff like that, it's pretty easy. There's just a lot to the business. I got a lot of advertising I do. I mean, just paying bills is pretty crazy. I mean, a lot of stuff is the same. I have to write on the calendar, I forget, so I don't forget something, but it's a lot to it. It's not as easy as it looks. I used to work 7 days a week, open to close. I mean, it's to the point now where I don't have to work as much, but I do enjoy working. I don't know what I'd do if it didn't work. So if I'm not here, I'm usually messing around with my Jeep or truck. I like the, you know, automotive stuff, so maybe one day I'll have my own shop or something. We'll figure it out. But people ask all the time if I'm gonna open up another store. I would say no. It's not that I don't want to, it's that it's hard to find good people to work for you. I mean, it would be a lot cheaper for me. It'd be a lot easier to have another store here local. I could share the advertising, I could share products between stores like cheese and dough and stuff like that, cut my cost. And I could have, you know, employees that want to work more hours. They could work 2 different stores. But it's hard to find 10 or 15, 20 employees that will come in, do their job, show up, you know, not be late, not call out, not, you know, have a dependable card, stuff like that. So it's really hard. That's probably my biggest problem with having a business, is relying on other people, because not everybody wants to work, and it's just hard to find. So I'll just stick with what I got with this store. I work. Danielle works a lot. She's actually pregnant. She's due in May, and she'll probably work until she has the baby, because that's how she is. She works about 60 hours a week, and she does really good for me, and she's been a great asset to this company and to me. It allows me to be off work. So pretty much going to conclude this video. I know there's a lot of stuff. If you want any more information or something, I could probably do another one. I didn't want to go in detail of everything about this business, because it would probably be a lot more than 15 or 20 minutes. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a big old like down below. If you have any comments, leave those also. And you can follow me on Instagram at Rigetti08. And my business actually is on Instagram also. It's Fox's Pizza JC. So give that a like and follow also. If you're in East Tennessee and Johnson City area, we run several specials, and we'll take care of your pizza and catering needs. Thanks for watching this video.